aeronautical engineers, and this is one of the type of a glider. Its name is parapod glider. Parapod means it has a parachute. The para defends the parachute, and the pod defends the motor and its outer body of the aircraft. And normally it is a glider that it can glide through air. And it has a specific name called bucky. Here we can see that it's a bucky. And the front, I will explain the parts of the glider. First, the front part, we have a mirror. I will tell you what's the use of the mirror afterwards. And here we can see the seat. This is the parachute which is inside the bag, and when flying we will take it outside and suspend at the back. And this is the throttle, this pedal which is called a throttle, which will increase the speed of the engine by applying it. And here we have another one control stick. It is used to turn the vehicle or turn the glider towards the left or towards the right. And coming here we can see the two-stroke engine with a spark plug at the top. This is a cylinder head, the radiator, and this is a composite. It's a propeller which is made up of composite. Now I will explain the working of this parapod glider or paramotor glider, and we will call this paramotor glider as parawing also. Here we have the parachutes, and you can see the green color, orange color strings here, which will hold the parachute, or which will tie at the 3 or 4 notches at the parachute. And this single string, it is called a dynamo, and it can hold a bullet bike. It has such strength. And at first we will suspend this. We are hooking the parachutes at the 2 edges of the bucky, and we will suspend the parachute at the back of the bucky. And after that we will stretch it like a bird stretching its wings. Like we will stretch the total parachute. And after that, what we do is normal, like a normal car, bike and all, we have a key here, and you need to place a key in the specific place. While operating or while cranking, the engine gets started, and before starting we should keep the throttle in the complete position. This is the complete position or zero position. We can say it as zero position or complete position. And after cranking the engine, after cranking the engine gets started, and we need to give initial throttle to the engine. So what's the use of this throttle means it will increase the speed of the engine. Thereby the propeller also the speed of the propeller is also get increased. So by giving initial throttle, what will happen? Some bulge of air will move on to the parachute, and it gets filled up in the parachute. And suddenly the parachute comes to this position, that a 90-degree angle. The pilot, I said about the mirror first. What's the use of this mirror means the pilot will see the mirror from here, so he can it is visible there. The parachute is visible from here, and he will check whether the parachute is fully filled with air. If it is not filled, you need to repeat the procedure by getting the engine off. Now, after filling up the air, after checking that the air is fully filled in the parachute, he will move the throttle again to the front, and he will give full acceleration so that so the glider can take off. Then one more thing, here you can see 2 threads or 2 strings here, the blue color strings. What's the use of this string is it will give balance to the parachute. You may see in parachute gliding, they will do like this. They will control the parachute, or they will balance the parachute like by pulling the strings. Here also they will pull the strings by means of this pedal. Here 2 pedals are there. While pushing this pedal towards the right side, while pushing the right side pedal forward, what will happen? The right side string is get pulled, and the parachute is moved towards right side. And same way it will happen on the opposite side. by pulling the left side pedal or pushing the left side pedal forward, what will happen? The left side string is get pulled off, and the same thing will happen. Like this, they will balance. So if suppose these two pedals are get jammed means, what the pilot will do? He will pull the string right away by his hand, and he will balance the glider. That's all from now.